It's got 3 sharp edges to it, points to it.
I've got the same one. I've got the same one. Circle in the middle, like a triangle.
Colourblind is a team-based problem-solving activity with a very strong emphasis on the development of effective communication skills. In particular, the development of active listening skills, very precise verbal communication skills in order to solve the problem which emerges through the exchange of information within the group during the activity. Well, the exercise materials are 30 plastic shapes. There are 6 different shapes in 5 different colours. What we'll do is put the pieces in front of you, put your hands on them in front of you, and then we can start the exercise. What we do is take away 2 pieces at random. So we take 2 pieces out of the complete set of 30 shapes, and what we do is distribute the remaining pieces around the people who are within the exercise. Well, one thing that we would normally do is that people are going to be wearing blindfolds. That helps to place the emphasis on good listening and good verbal communication. The final task is to determine the shape and the colour of the 2 missing pieces. Now, the shape depends on their skills in describing the shapes without the shared visual reference. Colours, the colour of each piece can be asked and the facilitator will provide that information, but that depends on the group retaining that information. At its simplest level, it's a really excellent problem-solving activity. So developing teamwork in problem-solving situations is probably the simplest. But any situation where people need to develop effective communication skills, Colourblind is an absolutely perfect tool for doing that. People realise that without the contribution of each person within the group isn't going to be successful in this activity. But also they learn to understand that different people have different ways of making that contribution. And respecting that contribution is a really important part of the activity.